Hey everybody, welcome to another video today, and we are doing a unboxing video of the Streamlight TLR-6 with laser. And this is a universal kit, which meaning that there is a kit in here that allows you to fit this weapons light slash laser on different models of handgun. With this kit, universal kit includes one light laser module and 6 housings for use with 18 plus compact handgun models. So this light tier laser combo can fit a Glock 26, which does not have a weapons rail, and plus 17 other subcompact or compact handguns. All right, let's get it unboxed and take a look at what's all in here. All right. Comes with a sticker, a Streamlight sticker, a booklet, operation manual, and a little banner advertisement for their other products. All right, get these out of the way for a minute. Clear the table. All right, so let me just let you look at the packaging real good, get a real good look. All right, in case you want to pause and read it over. And the reason I'm doing this unboxing is because when I purchased this through Amazon, the information and the pictures were lacking. So if you're shopping for this particular system or light, this video will help you look at all that comes with the product. And maybe this video will answer some of your questions. This is the actual light and laser. It looks like it's already housed in one of the casings. I'm not sure which gun this one would fit, but it comes with 2 batteries and an Allen wrench, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional housings. All right. And I'm not sure which one would fit the Glock 26, which I bought the light for. So take these out. All right. So 18 plus subcompact handguns. I guess you take this housing apart, and the innards of the light and laser would fit into all these other housings. And it's supposed to fit, one of these housings is supposed to fit the Glock 26. So once I figure out which one and get it affixed onto the weapon, I'll come back, because in YouTube land, we are not allowed to show you how everything is installed, because that's a no-no. You can get in trouble with YouTube. So I'll be right back. All right, we're back. And we had a really hard time getting this weapons light slash laser installed, because one of the screws were stripped, and I even made a rant video about it, if you want to go check that out. But we got it on there. Unfortunately, one of the screws that was stripped is not fastened on as tight as I want it to be because, of course, the screw head was stripped and I got it on there best I could. All right, let's go over what the light does. All right, there's buttons on both sides, here and there. All right, you press both buttons to go through the modes. You got the flashlight only mode, laser only mode, and then you have the flashlight and laser mode. Okay, so once you go through the different modes that you want, all you have to do is just press one of the buttons to turn it on and off. Okay, that's how the light works. The the weapons light, you can open this hatch down here below and replace the battery without having to remove the whole housing, and that allows you to keep the weapons light and laser zeroed in without having to re-zero. So this hatch right here does allow you to switch out the batteries and without having to remove the housing, and that's very convenient. All right, it is only 100 lumens, but it is bright enough for a subcompact handgun in a close quarter situation. Okay, and that's about it, basically. I'm going to do another video. It's going to be entitled "The Most Perfect Concealed Carry Option," and stick around for that video. I recommend this light, this system, or this brand because, well, to be honest with you, although you can find a cheaper weapons light with laser, like the O-Light or Nightstick, unfortunately, those products, it's very hard to find holsters for that. Okay, but with this combination here, you're gonna find it easier to find holsters for the carry. So this is the light that I went with because of that. Okay. All right. So if you are interested in getting this, I will link in the affiliate link down below for you to take a look at it. I originally canceled or requested a refund, but because I was able to get the screw off and install this, I canceled the refund, and I'm just going to keep the light, keep this product, and just rock with it. All right, so that's that. And just take a real good look. There's the laser right there, and there's the light. Aside from that stripped screw, everything else seems to be working very good. So that's that. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. And we're going to be talking about the perfect concealed carry that you can go with. All right, bye.